To create a project backup using the C-more system screen, first plug a USB stick into the HMI. Open the system setup screen by holding your finger in the top left corner for 3 seconds. Select OK, then go to Memory, then select Backup. Select your USB device, then select Next. Choose the items that you want to include in the backup: firmware, project, recipe, and data log files. For a project backup, make sure Project is selected. After making your selection, select Next. Review the backup settings, then select OK to begin. The HMI creates the backup file and saves it to the USB drive as a Startup Storage EASV file. To open this backup in the C-more programming software, choose Startup Storage as the file type when opening the file.